have seen Doberanner's triad, how Doberanner classified elements into increasing order of atomic masses, and he has made the group of three elements having same chemical properties. Now the limitations of Doberanner laws of triad or Doberanner's law of triad. What are they? You can see here, during Doberanner's period, all elements were not known, and also atomic mass was not known accurately. He discovered only few triads among all elements. That is the second limitation. And third limitation is that he could not classify all known elements into triad. That is, it is not possible for him to classify all the known elements into triad. You have to write these limitations of Doberanner laws of triad. Next point is present on the page number 17, Newland's law of octaves. After the classification of Doberanner, scientist Newland tried to classify the element according to atomic masses. In 1866, John Newland, the scientist John Newland, tried to classify the elements according to their increasing atomic masses. Then he arranged the elements in increasing order of atomic masses. He started with the lightest element, that is hydrogen, and ended up with the thorium. Then he found that every eighth element have a similar property with the first element. Then similarity observed in eighth and first element is called as law of octave. What is the law of octave? The similarity of the properties present in the first element and eighth element is called as law of octave. Then you can see here examples. Na is the symbol of sodium. Sodium is eighth element from lithium. They have same properties. You can see both have same properties. Next example is that magnesium. Magnesium have same property as that of beryllium. That is, distance between magnesium and beryllium is 8. That is, magnesium is 8th element from beryllium. Similarly, beryllium is 8th element from magnesium. Then chlorine shows similarity with the fluorine. Then how Newland classified these elements? He has created a group of 8 elements. In Newland's time, there are 56 elements present. That is, there is a discovery of 56 elements. He arranged in the 8 group and he found that first element has the same property with that of 8th element. It is called as law of octave. Then he compared these 8 elements with the music system, Western music system. That is, he found that similarity with the octave in music. You can see here information box, page number 17. You can see here. Then I am going to read it. In Indian music system, there are 7 main notes. Which are they? Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Da, Ni. And Sa is again repeated. Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Da, Ni, Sa. The frequency of the note goes on increasing from Sa to Ni and come again to the Sa. It is called as a saptam. When you say Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Da, Ni, Sa, then frequency of the note goes on increasing, and after last Sa, the frequency becomes double. Then it means that notes repeat after completion of one saptam. The 7 note. This is Indian music system. Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Da, Ni, Sa. In Western music system, there are another notes. Which are they? Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti. Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti. The note Do having double original frequency come again at the 8th place. That is, Do present at the first place. Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti. Again come Do. It has double frequency as that of first. That is, this is the octave of Western notes. Music is created by the variety in the use of these notes. So Newland compared the elements same as that of a music notes. You can see here one table. The Newland has created one table similar to that of music system. We have seen Western notes. Which are they? You can see here do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti. He arranged the elements in these groups. This is first one hydrogen, then lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen. In the Newland's time, there are only 56 elements. So he arranged only 56 elements. Then you can see here, we have taken the example. Sodium has same property as that of lithium. Then count. Lithium is first element. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7 and 8. That is the distance between lithium and sodium. Lithium is first element and sodium is 8th element. They have same property. Similarly, we have taken example of magnesium and beryllium. Now count. Beryllium is present here. Now beryllium first element, then boron second, carbon third, nitrogen fourth, oxygen fifth, then fluorine sixth, sodium seventh and magnesium eighth. That is beryllium and magnesium have same properties. First and eighth element have same property. What is that? The similarity between the first element and as that of eighth element are same. That is properties of first element is same as that of eighth element. According to Newland, he classified the elements in 8 groups in increasing order of atomic mass. Remember, first we have seen Dobereiner. He also classified the elements in 3 groups. He taken into consideration atomic mass. Similarly, Newland's also taken into consideration atomic mass, not atomic number. Remember. Then, what are the limitations of Newland's law of octaves? I have written on the blackboard. There are few limitations of Newland's law of octave. What are they? First is this law is applicable up to calcium. That is, this law is verified up to the calcium element. Then next, all known elements at that time, that is at the time of Newland, only 56 elements are known to the scientific world. So all known elements fitted in a table of 7 into 8, that is 56 boxes. Newland placed 2 elements in a one box. He has done the classification that he has made the 8 groups, but in some boxes he added 2 elements, which is wrong. That is, you have to place only 1 element in one box, but Newland placed 2 elements in a box, in a one box. Then for example, cobalt and nickel, Co and Ni, and next Ce and La. These 2 elements are also placed in a one box. Then third limitation is that Newland placed some elements with different properties under the same note. We have seen Newland compared the octave system with the music octave. In Western system, we have seen what is the music octave? Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti. So he has made the 8 groups under these notes. We have seen in this table do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti. So he has placed some elements under the same group. For example, you can see here cobalt and nickel placed under note do along with the halogens. We know that halogen means what? Chlorine, bromine, iodine and fluorine. These 4 elements we are going to see in this topic. These are called as halogen. These halogens are placed in the group 17. These are called halogen. What Newland has done, he has placed cobalt and nickel under the note do. Then fluorine, Fe means fluorine, having the same property as that of cobalt and nickel. But Newland has placed fluorine with a non-metal, oxygen and sulfur under the note Ti. Look at this point again. Newland placed some element with a different properties under the same note. For example, cobalt and nickel placed under the note Do, and fluorine having same property with a cobalt and nickel, but it is placed under the note T with the non-metals oxygen and sulfur. This is third limitation. And fourth limitation is that newly discovered elements does not fit into the Newland's law of octave. That is, at the time of Newland, only 56 elements were discovered. But we know that now there are 118 elements. So question arises, how to place all the elements in the 8 groups having different properties. So the newly discovered elements did not fit into Newland's law of octave. So if the question asks, write down the limitation of Newland's octave, you have to write down these 4 points.